are the one who reigns from above. Because of you, the victory's won. You are the one.
Hi guys. So, how you guys laughing? So this is my birthday vlog. Today we're gonna have like a little photo shoot, and I'm doing it at Mufe's house. These are my assistants. Say hi. And that's the photographer, Fisayo. Okay, let me move. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the behind the scenes and everything. So stay tuned. Angel, do you want to say hi? Okay, thank you. Wait, so was she?
Trusty.
Trusty as sister. Do you have hand fan?
And I have a home. Are you hot?
Hi guys, so I wanted to do a voiceover to give some context before this day, and yeah, just talk about the goodness of God, honestly, because I had literally been wanting to do a birthday shoot. Every time I like thought about, oh, what I want to do for my birthday, this was the only thing I had in mind, but I didn't even make proper plans for it. But literally a month before my birthday, I go for an event with someone to like assist them, and I met this photographer. We exchanged contacts because I'm an event planner, right? And then he reaches out to me a few weeks before my birthday, and he's like, oh, he wants to do a photo shoot with me. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like I really wanted to do a birthday photo shoot this year, but I don't know like why I had not made actual plans for it. But I just know that God orchestrated this entire thing. Like it was such an amazing experience, just being able to listen to songs and just reflect in this moment, although we're like taking pictures or whatever. Yeah, just reflecting on God's goodness, and the past few years that I've been working with God, like intentionally, has really been amazing, and I honestly would not have it any other way. But truly just trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Acknowledge him in all your ways, and he will make your path straight. Like God is so amazing. The fact that I was able to get this whole thing done for free, even the trip that you're going to see coming up, like I honestly did not have any concrete plans like before that. Like I didn't even think I was going to travel on my birthday, but like God just, makes everything beautiful, and he just truly knows what our heart desires. So I'm going to celebrate my birthday today. I'm in Maryland, by the way. I came to visit my cousins for the week. But today we're going to go to DC, Washington DC. Super exciting. This is my outfit. Top is from Zara. You guys can't see my pants, but they're from Hollister. I'll show you guys later as well. Yeah, it's gonna be an amazing day. We're going to the Bible Museum. I've never been there, but it has so many good reviews, so I'm really excited to see like what it's like and all that. And then we're also going to the Cheesecake Factory for dinner. Also excited because I've never been there, so hopefully it feels good. Hi guys, so we are on the way to the train station. We're gonna get the train and then go to DC. Got to DC. What's up, DC? You good? This is the face of the birthday girl. this was really cute. It's actually a bookmark and it tells you how many years after Jesus that you were born. So cute. So this is like a prison cell.
This is prison ministry.
Oh, prison ministry.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Angola Prison College. Yeah, this place is really nice. Like, I would highly recommend. But I've not actually like stayed anywhere. Just on the first floor now. We just arrived, okay? But very soon I'll give you guys a whole lowdown. Oh, this is how they made wine. Guys, this is so cool. Should we enter there?
Oh my gosh. Oh well, I don't know what a recording is.
Wow. Oh, this is so nice.
Do you have any questions about the food on the table or about the village itself?
So what village is this? Nazareth?
This is Nazareth.
Oh,
yes.
wow.
My name is Abigail.
Oh. Wow. So what do you do here? Do you sell food?
Oh no, we don't sell anything here in Nazareth. We're a very poor village, or well, I would really call it a humble village.
Yeah.
We trade for everything. But I cook for my family. My sister is coming into town with her family, so I want to make sure that they have enough food to eat after traveling for so long.
Wow.
Oh well, here you can see a bunch of foods that we're able to grow here in Nazareth. Everything except salt, of course, which we have to get from traders from the Dead Sea.
Wow. That's my twin.
Tov, the Hebrew word for good, fulfilling the divine purpose for which something was made.
I wanna say happy birthday to me. Let it blow out the candles, close your eyes, tickle it.
23 years of age. Seems like not long ago you were just a young girl in secondary school.
You're not serious?
And now you are a young adult. As we embark on this crucial year of your life, I say you shall run, not walk into your mid-20s. Amen. Let me tell you. They say secondary school is best year of life. They say college is best year of life. Let me tell you, man. This is the beginning of the best years of your life.
Wow. But it's
To
not.
you, it's useless. 20
Jordan here.
Yes, I'm not serious.
Nah, in this your Jordan year, you'll be greater than Jordan.
Oh!
In fact, this your Jordan year, it won't just be the sky is not your limit, it's your point of view.
Whoa!
More grease to your elbow.
Amen. I'm Z.
I just start with mine with go Nanya. It's your birthday.
Hey, it's your birthday. Go Nanya.
It's your birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Anyway,
Happy birthday,
Wow.
Nanya.
Ooh.
Mine. Not so big sis, but big sis at the same time.
Yeah.
I would just say that as you go into this Jordan year of yours, you're just gonna jump through it.
Whoa! Guys, my birthday has come to an end.
Not yet.
Not yet, sure. I'll be a few hours
I'll
left.
say after party. Let's go.
I love that. Party after party. So the food at Cheesecake Factory was actually nice. But yeah, I had a great day. Thanks to my cousins, my family. Like, they all made me feel so special. You guys be like, oh. You guys are fake.
What did you say?
So now we're just going to Target, and then we're going to go home. And then the party continues, okay? But yeah.
Okay,